I dare you. Come on. Come on, Cletus. Come on. Come here, girl. Come here. Come on, Cletus. Come on. That's a good fish.
Oh,
She's going to be a decent one. She'll make it.
right on in the boat. She swallowed that thing.
Ow. Okay, you stick me. I'm going to stick you back. There we go. That's a good fish, folks. Then I'm going to chase you. I'm going to chase you down there, Kemp. Once I get my bait back on my hook. Ooh, ooh, oh, they spooked, but that's okay. Oh, you need a net? I'm a bad net, man.
Might not be.
Uh-oh.
Cramp it out. Look the way it's running.
Oh, that's all color. Oh, that's a crappie.
That's a semi-Shirley there.
You see why you hooked her? You see how you
Oh,
hooked her?
yeah, that's all right. The idea is to get them in the boat, right?
Yeah, the idea is to get them in the boat. Let's check out how she got hooked, though, folks.
Oh, wow.
Hey, how about that? I'm a horrible net man, but I did all right today on this one anyway. I didn't know. That's a Shirley for sure.
Yes, sir. That's a good fish. All right, let me just throw it in the
Whoa,
bucket.
whoa, whoa, whoa. Love, love, love.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Miss Shirley came to see us early this morning.
She sure did. She is early.
Yes, sir.
I got your
Oh, yeah, I think.
Oh, something done spooked him. You see him spook? Come here, girl. Come here. Come on, Cletus. Come on. That's a good fish.
Oh,
She's going to be a decent one. She'll make it.
right on in the boat. She swallowed that thing.
Ow. Okay, you stick me. I'm going to stick you back. There we go. That's a good fish, folks. Got him. She gonna make it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I got mine too. Oh, that makes it a duplex. Since we got duplex, let's go and do this intro. What is happening, YouTube? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. You already know what it is. Today is another one of these days that end in Y. So you know that makes it a great day to go fishing. It is Drysdale, and he's out here on Lake Oconee messing around with some of these, trying to catch some of us. I might not be a big Shirley, but I'm gonna be a curly. We're out here on Lake Oconee, folks, with CB Kemp.
Hey, we trying to get them.
Yep, we trying to get them. We got what, six fish in the boat now.
All right.
So, let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale. Let's go get them.
Get them. All right.
On the throw. Now I'm way out there though. There you are. Hey, you are. You got another one.
Yes,
Got
sir.
another one.
Yes, sir.
Sorry about that for timing. I turned it right on.
Oh, look
Oh,
at
that's
that.
another good one. That's another good one.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
That's another good one.
Yeah. Yes, sir. That's what we've come to get right there.
Yes, sir. Oh, oh, oh.
Ah, found that in brush pile. God dog, I hate that.
You know what that means.
Oh boy. Be time to retie in a minute.
Well, not just that, but that was a good little hook set you got right there.
Good one on a brush pile.
Yeah, but that means you got the shimmy. I almost missed it. So come on, let's give us this.
Come on again.
Yeah, get this shimmy out of the way. Oh, that was a good. I almost missed it, man.
I was hoping you missed it.
I turned around just in time. Yeah, I got to get used to. I'm not hands-free today. She gonna make it. She gonna make it.
Yeah, she'll make it. She'll make it.
No, I don't know. She might be a little bit short, yeah. You can talk to be a good fish. I don't want to waste our limit on these.
No.
She's short.
Alright. She looked bigger when she was coming in, though.
Call her a blocker. She looked better from a block away.
Oh boy, you know something about that?
Yeah, she looked
Are we
better.
talking about fish or what?
I might get hung up on this one. But I won't have to shimmy because I'm not going to set my hook like it's a fish.
Oh.
Oh.
Spoke too fast.
Talking all
Spoke
that
too
trash.
fast, man. Hey, we're gonna get a good
shoot.
shimmy out of you now.
I'm going to get a good shimmy right here.
Yes, sir. And he already called.
I called my shimmy. I thought I was going to get out of it, but I didn't. I knew I was going to get hit.
Yes, sir. All right.
There you go. Come on. I knew it was going to get through.
Boy, they scattered when you hooked that one.
Golly. I ain't catching no decent fish. There's enough of them in there. So they scattered?
Yeah, they came right back, though. That's me right there. That's me. Boy, I feel a shimmy coming on.
You bowled up for that one.
Ooh!
Yeah, you bowled up for that one.
Oh, I saw him come out and get it. Oh, that ain't fighting like he might be a better fish.
All right, let's go. Let's go and find some bigger fish. You're going to keep. We looking for bigger. We looking for bigger. Hey, we started off.
That's right. It started out real good.
Yeah, it started off hot. We got another windy day. I hope this wind, because I put my case around my GoPro, I hope this wind is not as bad as the last video I did, but if it is, my apologies. I can't control the weather.
That's a keeper.
Yep, no doubt about this one. Good hook set on her. Good hook set on her. She in the top of the mouth. She wasn't going nowhere. As long as my bait don't fall off. Oh, you old scoundrel. Uh-huh, you tried it. She gonna make 10 inches. She gonna make 10 and a half. Oh, Lord. Yeah. Because it's on my seat, I gotta stand up to get mine.
Get it.
Yeah, buddy. One shot, one kill. That's a Shirley.
Oh, Lord.
Welcome to the boat, Shirley.
Boy, you done flipped that big joker again.
I told you. That's a big Shirley spot right here. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Stop.
Got him. Put the handle down softer next time. turned the camera on. That's why I turned the camera on. So I'm getting one of these. I'm getting one of these. That was gonna be a Shirley. I think Shirley. She might be just yeah. She gonna keep a Shirley.
They eating it up too.
Yep. They're doing all right.
Nice job, y'all. Don't discriminate now.
$27. So we got 54 fillets there, folks. So that is going to wrap it up for this episode of Crappie Fishing with Drysdale Kemp. Appreciate you. Appreciate you having me out on your boat, man.
Hey, man, it was a wonderful day. You showed me how to get them.
Yeah. So, folks, that is going to wrap us up here. As always, thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody who watches this channel, everybody who leaves those comments, and everybody who hits that like button. It was windy today. It started out a little bit breezy, then the wind picked up. And I hope my audio isn't too bad on this recording. So to my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across my channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with. Kemp.
Yes, sir. Wonderful day. We had we started out, he said, let's go get them, and I think that's what we did.
We went and got them.
Yes, sir.
Catching more of these evil, but sure enough tasty crappie.
Yes, sir.
So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.
Peace.